TestEngine is a standalone runner of ReadyAPI functional and security tests. TestEngine can be installed in a centralized location on a customer's network, allowing multiple users, teams, and CI/CD pipelines to send all of their test jobs to a centralized location for execution. TestEngine will allow users to queue jobs, run jobs in parallel if required, and it also provides a central reporting repository for all of your test runs. Users can easily send test jobs to TestEngine by using either a simple API call or by using some of the plugins available for CI/CD tools such as Jenkins and Azure DevOps. The overview page here in TestEngine will allow users to quickly analyze the completed test runs, download reports, or click on the test run to get a quick breakdown on the pass and fail status of test steps. The Run History page will provide some additional information and will also allow users to filter jobs by fields such as projects, status, authors, or tags. In conclusion, TestEngine will provide users with an efficient and scalable approach to automated API testing.